Dear students, in our previous lecture of atom and molecule, we have already completed the topic atom, what is molecule, ion, and valency concept particularly. Today we will discuss about molecular mass and mole concept. So let's start with the first molecular mass. What is the mass of a molecule? You know that atoms combine to form molecules. So mass of a molecule, like H2O is a molecule of water in which two hydrogen atom and one is oxygen atom. So twice into mass of hydrogen atom plus mass of oxygen atom. Now about the masses, you must know that every element atomic mass is always equal to twice of its atomic number, but that is not true for all. Like sodium have atomic number 11 but its mass number is 23. Hydrogen have atomic 1 like in mass is also 1. So there are some exceptions, but in mostly you will find out that atomic mass is twice of atomic number. So twice mass of hydrogen is 1 plus mass of oxygen atom. You know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. So that's why mass will become 16. So 16 plus 2, 18. So 18 gram will be considered the molecular mass of the H2O. Okay. Let's take another example like H2SO4, sulfuric acid molecule. So twice into mass of hydrogen plus mass of sulfur plus 4 into mass of oxygen. Mean to say we have to sum up the masses of the total number of atoms and their masses, we have to sum them. That will give you the mass of a molecule, or that is known as molecular mass. So here will be twice into 1 for the hydrogen. Mass of sulfur atomic number is 16 here. Its atomic mass will become 32. And 14 into mass of oxygen is 16. So this will comes, if you do the total, will be 98 gram. So 98 gram is the molecular mass of the H2SO4. Okay. Now, this is the molecular mass concept. That is, mass of a molecule is molecular mass. In some cases, molecular mass is also known as formula mass, because we know that molecule, a compound, have a chemical formula. So that mass of that formula unit is known as formula mass particularly. Like H2O is a compound this is the formula for the water. So the mass of this water molecule is, it's a formula mass. So formula mass mean to say then there is nothing different concept than the molecular mass. Mean to say this term is also used in cases of the compounds instead of molecular mass sometimes. Okay. Now the next topic is very important topic, that is mole concept. So what does mean the mole particularly? Let me tell you. Mole is fundamental quantity here. First thing is a fundamental quantity. For what? To measure amount of matter. And matter is, you know that, is depend on the entity contained in it. Okay, it doesn't depend on the weight particularly. Mass and weight is different, completely different concept. Okay, because you know that W is equal to mg. In physics you will study the difference between weight and mass particularly. Mass never changes, weight changes with the gravity. Okay, now what comes with the mole now comes to. So one mole is actually, first let's do the, I will define you the mole definition. So one mole is defined as number of entities. What do you mean by entities? Entities can be anything. If you are counting mobiles, the number of mobiles. If you are counting ants, the number of ants available. But we are needed this particularly concept mole in terms of something which is invisible quite but existing, like atom and molecule. So number of atoms or number of molecules, number of ions, if you are counting. So how many number of atoms were termed as one mole? So one mole is defined as number of entities as much present in 12 gram of C12 atom. You know that AMU definition also given in terms of C12 isotope of that. So now how much? And one mole value is always equal to, that is also known as Avogadro constant. Its value is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. If you are calculating atoms, then it will be atoms. If you are getting ions, that will be ions. So if you are writing one mole of anything, mean to say in that 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 types is present of that. Like let's talk about a 69 gram of sodium metal I have taken. Okay. Now how to calculate the mass, one mole? You know that sodium molecular mass or sodium atomic mass is equal to 23. So 23 gram will make what? 1 mole. If I start with some other metal like lithium have atomic mass 7. So in case of lithium, 7 gram of lithium will be 1 mole. I am telling you right now we are counting the concept on the basis of the atoms. Okay. So now how much, mean to say in case of atoms, if you are calculating atoms, atomic mass of any element will be termed as 1 mole. Whichever atom, his mass will be 1 mole. So if you have taken 69 gram of sodium metal, so 69 gram you have taken, that is also known as given mass. Given mass is 60. If you divide given mass by molecular mass, which is, or in case of atoms, atomic mass. In case of atoms, we are going to divide by atomic mass. We know that atomic mass, one atomic mass gives you 1 mole. So that's why we divided the given mass by the atomic mass, which will give us 3 mole. Mean to say 69 gram form the 3 moles of sodium. Now 3 moles mean to say 69 gram of sodium contain 3 into 6.0222 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of sodium. Dear. Okay, so that's how we will calculate. So today you will learn about the mole concept. So first thing you will do, read the topic, then blueprint question are given in your book. That will you do in rough notebook, dear participant. Okay. Now next thing, make your notes. Notes you have to prepare in particularly fair notebook, dear. Thank you.